What animal do I look like? A sheep? I look like a fucking sheep? Nah, try this again. A dolphin? Nah. Okay, that's a W. That's good, that's good. Okay, what the fuck? A seal? Sit down and roll around. Motherfuck! I just knew they was gonna do that, bro. I just had a feeling they was gonna do that shit, dog. I swear to God, I had a feeling they was gonna do that shit. I swear to God, bro. I had a fat feeling they was gonna do that shit. Bro, Ronaldo does not look like a horse. Better be a goat. A goat. What? A fox? A llama? A rabbit? What the fuck? Oh, hell nah, bro. What about Messi? Bro. There's no way they just call Messi a monkey, bro. Messi's not the GOAT! He's not a GOAT. He's not a GOAT. Hold on, wait, chat. Hold on, wait. I want to do him Boppy. Bro, why they keep calling Messi a monkey, bro? Chat, what do y'all... Chat, what if they put a turtle for him Boppy? What if they do a turtle for him Boppy? We gotta do him.